Intentional silence, using intentional silence to understand your needs. How well do you practice intentional silence in your life? When we are faced with uncertainty, challenges, or unsure of what to do next, intentional silence should be a thing. At this time, some people call it a moment of prayer. I've heard others call it a time that I tap into my inner strength. It helps in focusing on your positive thoughts. Being silent allows you to channel your energy into what is needful. It gives you the clarity needed to face any challenges. Intentional silence helps keeps your thoughts together to realize what you seek in life. Someone once said, in silence you get to know yourself better. In silence you got to have time for yourself. Not just for yourself, but for your feelings. In this age that we are today, we are so much into fast pace. We do things quick and quick. We get to have time to listen to ourselves or our feelings. In silence, you get to listen to your heart to really understand what is important. With silence, from within, you get to meditate more often. That your many whys. In that silent moment, you get to understand your many whys. I say in silence, you get to unfold versions in your life to where, when, why, and what needs to be done in order to make things right in achieving your God-given potential and purpose in life. In silence, you find a moment, profound meanings of words in a new way like never before. I say in silence, your reasoning behind the unknown ideas of your destiny erupts. In silence, shatters emotions are straightened along with positive thought. In silence, the wall of words is streamlined. In silence, the mistakes are evaluated and focus on the right path is revealed. In silence of life, we sit and meditate on what is next in our life. In silence, you cherish what you really desire, not what the world wants for you. In a moment of silence, you find who you truly are. In silence, there is a sound of peace without which life is a place called chaos. In silence, you get to hear clearly from God. You get to get divine directions of what you need to do next. In silence, you are able to look inward to unravel and discover many hidden secrets that are important for your life through the help of the Comforter, Holy Spirit. There is power in silent energy and action are about to be unleashed when you open your mouth to speak. In silence, your wisdom, brothers, and your new ideas are born. Thank you. I'm yours one and only, DC Ayadi. Join me in the next episode. Please share with a friend. God bless you. Bye-bye.